In the previous video, we learned about how to normalize a database going through the first, second, and third normal form. In this video, what we're going to be learning about is what RDBMS is, what it stands for, when to use it, and just what it's made up of. So what RDBMS is Relational Database Management System. So basically what it is saying is that it is a type of system to manage information, the storage of information, and it depends upon a relationship between items. You commonly see RDBMS used, or actually it is used in SQL, DB2, Oracle, and Microsoft Access databases, just to name a few. The reason that you would use RDBMS, the storage system, is because it is good for storage of multiple items with the same type of information. It is also very durable and efficient. So everything inside of an RDBMS database is only stored once, which makes it very minimal and allows you to use less space on the database. So if we would like to see an example of an RDBMS table, we can see that we have what are known as the attributes up top. So just we have the name, street, city, and then some questions. And then we have what are known as the columns, so what belongs to each of those attributes. And then we have the rows, so the actual information that is stored in each attribute. So as we can see, we have the questions, the 4 questions at the end, and we are expecting answers of yes or no. So this works well with an RDBMS table because we know that the answer is going to be yes or no, so we don't need to store that much information. We can just have it set to be a data type of a varchar of, say, 4 characters, just to add an extra character just in case. And we can say that this is all that we're going to need, and this is all the storage space that we have to use for this type. And we can identify each type inside of each column. So I hope that you now understand what an RDBMS table is and what an RDBMS database looks like. Since we have been working with it the entire time using the MySQL database to learn about these databases. In the next video, what we're going to be learning about is actually NoSQL databases and how to use them, and also when to use them. Thank you again. My name is David Baker, and this video is brought to you by CreativeOnlineSchool.com.